Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of muting a group in WhatsApp on your PC. Whether you're looking to temporarily silence notifications or permanently mute a group, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. To mute a group in WhatsApp on your PC, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your PC. Ensure that you are logged in to the correct account. Step 2. Right-click on the desired group that you want to mute. A context menu will appear. Step 3. From the options available, select Mute. This will open a submenu with different time durations. Step 4. Choose the duration for which you want to mute the group. You can select between for 8 hours, for 1 week, or always. And there you have it. You have successfully muted the group in WhatsApp on your PC. This feature can be handy when you want to temporarily avoid getting notifications from a specific group, or when you want to have a quiet messaging experience. By muting a group, you can focus on other important tasks without any interruptions. You can always unmute the group whenever you're ready to catch up on the conversations. That's all for this tutorial. We hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful WhatsApp tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.